Hi, I'm Brian, and this is Alex. We are from Crane Composites. We are RV fiberglass experts representing our Phylon brand.
And we're here to walk you through how to properly care for your RV's exterior.
Proper care and maintenance is key to keeping your RV's exterior looking new. Whether you are heading to a tailgate or getting back from a muddy campground, this video is your guide on how to properly care for your RV's exterior.
So let's dive in.
To get started, you'll need the following supplies: general purpose automotive or RV soap, a bucket, water, soft bristle brush with long handle, a rubber squeegee, several microfiber towels, and a sturdy ladder.
Before you start, you'll want to make sure you're in a place where you can access all areas of the RV. You'll want to have a ladder available to reach the roof and the top of your sidewalls. Make sure to review all of your cleaning supplies before using them to ensure they do not contain any soaps or detergents with harsh abrasives or acids. We are only covering fiberglass specific cleaning instructions. You'll want to consult your manual for other tips and tricks for cleaning other exterior parts, such as rubber roofs, awnings, and vents. As we get into washing the unit, we will be working in smaller sections. Having a friend or two will drastically help you reduce the time it takes to clean it. On a typical travel trailer, you'll want to work in 4-foot by 4-foot sections at a time. The basic sequence of events to follow are rinse, scrub, rinse, repeat. First, you'll want to grab your bucket and pour in your soap and water, following the recommendations on the back of the label. Next, you'll want to rinse off all sides of the RV with water, ideally using a hose. This will remove any surface dirt and help the cleaning solution lift up additional dirt and debris. Using your soft bristled brush, gently apply soap and water to the surface of a small area on the RV in a circular clockwise motion. You can also choose to use a spray bottle to spray the soap or other RV cleaner directly onto your sidewall. Rinse with water. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until you have completed one side of your RV. Make sure to change your water regularly while washing your RV. Make sure to keep the surface wet as you go and work in small sections from roof to tires. This will prevent the soap from drying on the RV. After rinsing, you'll want to grab your squeegee and use it to remove excess water. Finally, use the microfiber towel to completely dry the sidewall.
It is suggested that you wash your RV often and thoroughly. The longer dirt and grime stay on, the more damage it may cause.
By following these easy steps, you are ready for your next adventure. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in tuning into more of our care and maintenance videos, please check out our website, exteriorrvcare.com.